I'm Adam from Royal Building Products. I'm going to show you my Zuri deck today. I chose a weathered gray color, just a classic look, but I also chose Zuri because of the other features, the durability. I've got 3 kids and a dog, and I wanted to make sure it was going to last for a long time. I also liked some of the details, the features of this product, which is the trim piece, also the fascia board, and then I incorporated some lights into the deck, but I'm really happy with the way the deck turned out. It's performed better than I could imagine. Pretty happy about it.
Hi, this is Steve Booz with Royal Building Products, Vice President of Marketing. When it came to designing our deck, we really wanted to take the look of our hardwood floors from the inside to our outside living space. We chose the pecan deck color because it matches our hardwood floors really well. We also chose the nice creamy color of chestnut as a transition period between our steps and our multiple levels that we have here at the deck.
My name is Mark Van Huffel. I live in Dublin, Ohio with my wife and my 3 daughters. I work for Royal Building Products and I'm the Director of Sales for the Midwest region. I absolutely love the look of weathered wood. So I use Zuri premium decking in the color weathered gray for our deck and for our stairs. The neutral color adds a rustic, high-end feel to the home. It's absolutely beautiful.